Videotape you. Videotape you. Videotape that. Let's see here. Get a good shot. Toyota. I don't know, man. What's happening here? It's this car. It's this one right here. Do y'all know? Do y'all know them?
Huh?
You know them?
Hell no.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
They have no idea who they are.
We don't know who the fuck he is, but he keeps reversing and reversing, and there's hella room in front of him. Like, what the fuck?
What?
Oh, bitch!
What the fuck? What the fuck? Look, somebody's trying. Somebody's trying to do a U-turn on the freeway.
Are you serious?
Oh my God! Live action.
Oh, they did it.
This is live action right now. This is crazy shit.
Let's hit a U-turn. Hey, is he Asian? He gotta be Asian.
Oh shit, what's going on? Oh damn. What is happening here? This is crazy. So these people behind me are definitely about to get in a fight with this one car right here, which is refusing to move up these little inches. Look at all this room right here. And he's obviously being a dick. That's so funny. I should get out and put one of these road cones in front of him. Oh, I'm so bored. Why are we stuck in traffic? This guy right here. Crazy motherfucker. Come on, move your car. Move your car. Come on, dude. You gonna scoot up? Are you? Alright, hold on.